Okay, we're starting the record of the passage, and it's just showing in the plane now, just arriving exactly as expected. So the Starlink, wow, actually I missed the beginning because I was kind of not trusting the thing. So now I'm trying to see if I can see them visually, and honestly I cannot see them. This is really incredible. You can see a cloud also that is in the corner on the right. So the most satellites are just pretty much aligning with I think it is Saturn. I typically make mistake on the identification. Wow, that was absolutely so we're kind of waiting if there is more now, because if something we learned yesterday is that there are actually more objects that you would think. We can see one now. They're starting also to kind of spread a bit on the orbital planes. So unfortunately now we've got the cloud also that is coming. Wow, we see more objects coming, definitely. This one is pretty bright actually. I cannot see it visually. It's very confusing. Another one. Definitely visible, at least on my screen. I should have taken tonight. I can see exactly where it is, but I cannot see it visually. I see exactly where it is, but it's very tough because the sky is not perfectly dark and it's continuing. Still, oh, this one is going to be visible, I think. So frustrating. I really would like to see at least one tonight. This one is pretty bright actually. I must be looking the wrong position. Oh yeah, I see one now. Okay, I see this one. So very bright actually, and I can check. Well, okay, so that's exactly. Oh, a second one, very bright as well. So this is really a fantastic sequence with all the clouds moving. It's not the Milky Way. They continue just to pop out. This is remarkable. So I can see those brightest ones. I can pick them visually. So today, wow, I see this is really just incredible. This is really incredible. And there's I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe. This is so amazing. So this one very bright that is coming. This is really cool. I'm trying to find this one, but it's very hard to see visually, really. But oh, actually I see one that is going backward. There's a lot of satellites, and I think there's maybe still one that is coming there. So the passage is supposed to be finished, but reality is that there are still more coming, and I will just have to wait a little bit, because now you can see also that it is coming higher and higher in the field of view. It's a good thing that I didn't move the camera, really, because this is about it, you know. So I think this time we're getting to the end of it, while we continue to see lots of traffic in the sky. So I have the feeling that the Starlink is not the worst contender here. I'm trying just to see if I can detect. Yeah, very, very easy, this one. My control for Saturn was okay, so we have a very bright one, might be a Starlink. Oh wow, this is just crazy. This is very amazing. All this done really with very minimum means. I'm using a 35mm 1.8 and a 4K recording on the Canon EOS R with the shutter 1/8 of a second, and I think this looks more like a plane, of course. And so in other terms, I think this time we're getting really to the end of it, and I'm going to stop the recording for now. This is very impressive. I'm very satisfied of this recording. Okay, good night.